Welcome to Trader's Audio Edge, the calm, daily reset for serious traders who want a mental edge. Today's focus is simple and uncomfortable. Most trading fear isn't about losing money, it's about losing control. We'll strip away the illusion that you can force outcomes and build a plan that lets you act with certainty, even when the market is uncertain. Here's the trap. When fear rises, control-seeking behaviors rush in. You wait for extra confirmation. You pass on valid setups that don't feel perfect. You move your stop to feel safe, or you exit early the moment price inhales. It feels rational in the moment, but it's actually your nervous system protecting your ego, not your equity. The market's job is movement and discovery. Your job is preparation and execution. Trying to control what isn't yours, direction, timing, follow-through, turns clean structure into noise and turns you into a passenger of your own emotions. What can you control? Your preparation, your size, your entry criteria, your stop, your target logic, and your review. That's it. Professionals make those decisions in advance, then honor them in real time. They know that confidence doesn't come from perfect entries. It comes from repetition. Hundreds of trades executed the same way under varied conditions. You can't think your way into confidence. You earn it by doing the right thing repeatedly, even when fear is loud. FOMO is just control wearing a different mask. It whispers that you're missing it, that you must chase to catch up or add filters to never miss again. Both lead to overtrading when it's noisy and undertrading when your edge actually appears. Instead of chasing the feeling of control, commit to the math of your edge. Fixed risk that's small enough to act through discomfort, a clearly defined trigger, a defensible location, and pre-decided management rules. If your plan says take the trade, take it. If your plan says stand down, stand down. Not because you're certain, but because you're consistent. Let's talk hesitation. If a valid setup fires and you freeze, that's not the market. It's a process error. Rehearse your entries like an athlete rehearses a play. Visualize the trigger, the click, the stop placement, the management. Write a single sentence you'll say at the edge of action. I don't control the outcome, I control the execution. Then click. Accept the small, known risk in exchange for long-run expectancy. The opposite, waiting for it to feel better, costs you the trades that move without you and feeds the story that you must control before you act. When fear pushes you to cut winners early, remember that your target or management plan was designed when you were calm. The moment you're in the trade, your biology wants relief, not profit. That's why you pre-decide how you'll trail, scale, or exit. If your rules include moving to break even after defined MFE or taking partials at a planned level, follow them. If not, don't invent them mid-trade to soothe anxiety. Structure exists to protect you from the urge to control. Review completes the loop. After the session, don't ask, did I win? Ask, did I follow the plan when fear was loud? Track the control tells. Skipped valid triggers. Early exits without rule-based cause. Stop moves that weren't in the plan. Impulsive chases after a miss. Each mark is a rep you owe yourself tomorrow. Smaller size until discipline is consistent. Clearer criteria. Tighter focus on one or two setups. Confidence grows when your actions match your plan, not when price rewards a drift. Here's the reframe. Fear isn't the enemy. It's a signal that you've reached the edge of uncertainty, exactly where your edge lives. You don't need to eliminate fear to trade well. You need to stop obeying it. Surrender control of outcomes, Take full control of process and let the series take care of expectancy. The market will keep moving. Your job is to keep executing. Close your eyes for a moment and set today's intention. I release control of outcomes. I own control of my process. I act when my plan says act, breathe once. Then trade your plan. Emotional outcome: a steadier, quieter confidence. Less urgency to control, more trust in your preparation, and a clear commitment to execute through discomfort.